Now let's take a look at the general features of Ecoxy. First of all, we have a search accounts option here. While we click on search accounts, it opens your account search form. Here, user can access all the transaction details that entered in the Ecoxy. In this data table, the transaction date, transaction type, reference number of the transaction, debit ledger, credit ledger, and the amount details are given. On the left side of the data table, we have a plus icon here, and if we click on the plus icon, it opens your ledger details of that particular transaction. It shows the ledger name, debit and credit amount details, so that user can access ledger details of all the transactions by using this plus icon. On the right side of the data table, we have a view icon here, and if we click on the view icon, it opens to the view of the particular transaction. The next to the view icon is the more option. The more option include an edit option. If the user want to edit a particular transaction, it can be done by using the edit option here. On the left side of the screen, we have a filter option here. With this filter option, user can customize or filter the transaction data. User can filter the transaction data by various modes, like selecting a particular transaction type, or by entering a particular ledger name or reference number, or by date, and so on. After enter the filter details, click on the apply option to access the data, and the data will appear on the basis of the details we entered. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can search a particular type of transaction, and for that enter the transaction type or debit or credit ledger name here to access the particular data. On the right side of the screen, an export option is available. It is the option to export the transaction data to Excel format. In this account search form, the cancelled type of transactions are highlighted with red color. Red color indicates the cancelled transactions. So these are the details included in account search form. The next general feature under Ecoxy is quick search option. Here is the quick search option under Ecoxy. User can access the quick search option by using the shortcut key F1. So about the quick search option, user can access any one of the form by easily searching. This option enables the user to access quick and easy results without navigating through the menus. The next to the quick search option is add new menu. So about the add new menu, user can easily and quickly add a new item without navigating through menus. This plus icon indicates the add new menu, and it includes almost all the forms in Ecoxy. For example, if the user wants to create a new customer, then user can easily add a new customer by clicking on the add new menu and the customer master included under the general head. While click on the customer, it redirects to the new customer form, and user can create the new customer there. Similarly, user can quickly add new item within the forms that included in the add new menu. The next option under the general features is branch switch option. In the branch switch option, the list of created HO and branches will be appear, and user can switch to branch by clicking on it. The next to the branch option is the profile option. Here we can see the organization name along with the profile icon. When we click on the profile icon, a new tab will be appear, and here we can see the organization icon, organization name along with the email ID, and next one is the list of businesses that we created. Here user can switch over to another business by just clicking on it. On the top left side of the tab, a pencil icon is available, and it indicates the edit profile icon. By clicking on the edit option, user can edit the profile image, company name and mobile number. So these are the details that included in the profile icon. Next to the profile icon is the notification master. The bell icon indicates the notifications, and here the user gets all the important notifications in the Ecoxy. Notifications heads are reorder level, zero stock, recurring sales, payment due, and so on. The number of notifications are mentioned in the bracket here. Here is the view all option, and when we click on the view all option, it redirects to the notification master form. In the notification master form, We can see the heads of notifications. There are recurring sales, recurring purchase, updates, reorder level, zero stock, and payment due options. Under the recurring sales, user gets a notification related with the recurring or repeated sales that created in the organization. Similarly, we have a recurring purchase also. In the recurring purchase, user gets a notification related with the repeated or recurring purchases. Next one is the updates option. Under the updates, user gets the notification related with the software updates. Next one is the reorder level. Here the user gets the notification related with the product reorder level. If any one of the products reached its reorder level, then the notification will receive here, and user can access the product reorder level form by clicking on it. When we click on the notification, it will redirect to the stock reorder level form. The next head is the zero stock product. If any one of the products reached its zero stock, then the notification will appear here, and user can access the zero stock product by clicking on it. When clicking on the link, it will also redirect to the stock reorder level form. The next option is the payment due option. If any one of the payment will due, then the notification will receive here, and user can access the payment due details by clicking on the notification here. While we click on the payment due notification, it redirects to the appropriate sales or purchase invoice form. The next general feature of Ecoxy is the feedback option. Feedback icon is available near the notification bell. If the user wants to send any kind of feedbacks or suggestions with Ecoxy team, then it can be done by using the feedback form. In the feedback tab, the email ID and the mobile number of the user will automatically appear. In the comment section, user can enter the feedback or suggestions here. After enter the suggestions, click on the submit option to submit or send the feedback. So these are the details of general features under Ecoxy. Thank you.